Hey, what's going on? What is good, everybody? Wanted to give you guys a little quick walkthrough. We just got a Cove 41 into our shop here. I'm sure you guys saw the video because you've been watching it on Instagram. And I want to give you a quick walkthrough of what we've got on day one so far for our installs. Our team continues to diligently push forward to make sure our customers have their boats in a timely fashion for the spring season here. So, let's go on. Let's walk in here. Let's check out what's going on now that they've got the first day done, and let's see what we got going on. All right, so here we are on the Cove 41, and as you can see, we've got our protective carpet run down. You look up in the overhead over there, we've got wires run. We got all kinds of stuff going on here. So I kind of wanted to showcase just what all is involved when we start talking about these larger installs on boats like this. So you can see here, we've got all our cabling pre-run through here. We've got terminal strips, so you take masts off, things like that. We've got our NEMA and our Ethernet cables for our radar, GPS antenna. We've got all our, everything's nicely labeled on here as well. I don't know if you can see that there. It says radar and VHF. We've got everything ready to go. We still have our fish tape in here to pull more wires. So today, a bulk of it was spent getting wires from here down into there. And that's not a straightforward run all the time. So what is actually going on down in there as I dodge around all this spaghetti around me here? Well, we're going to be going into, first of all, a nice blank slate here. This is one of the first Cove 41s to have a Ray Marine engine display on it. So that's kind of a nice little feature right there. They built a nice little wood wedge for it and everything, so nice visibility. But the nice feature on this 41 install, from our standpoint at least, as I turn on batteries here, is we've got a very big storage space down here. Check it out and see what's going on down there. So we got the helm, and then we got this nice little compartment down here to work with, which is actually a really big compartment down here to work with. All right, so once you come down into this space, we've got a ton of room down here for us to do all of our electronics work. Here's all the other end of our wiring runs through here. Everything's going up nice and neat up into these chases here. And again, everything is labeled, and we're going to have plenty of spaces to mount all of our black boxes and everything to get easy access to make this a really nice, clean install and very serviceable down the road. All right, so as you can see, the guys have made a really good amount of headway on this boat, getting things wrapped up so that we can continue to meet our deadlines for our customers. Got a question about the install? Got something you want to see us do? Let us know.